So to make this, here we have taken 3 cardboard pieces and we'll attach these all together to make the cardboard more thicker. Similarly, here we have made 4 like this. Then we have made a hole and we'll attach a pen into it on all the 4 cardboard pieces. After this, using masking tape, we'll attach it at the corners like this. Then here I have cut the legs, its body and its head using cardboard, and we'll stick it on the pen. And attach these at the back side also. And then after this, using the middle piece of the cardboard, we'll make its turban like this. Then we'll attach instruments using plastic things. Use pen refills to make the arms. Attach it like this. For the second one, here I have taken this type of round container. We'll attach it to make its dholak, and using pen refills make the arms. And for the third one, on the back side, attach the arms, and on the face we'll attach its bansuri. So first we'll paint the face and the arms with black. Then paint its body with blue. Paint its turban with green. And give some more detailing using golden acrylic color. Like this. Some detailing on its turban also. Make its face also with golden acrylic color. And then gives its detailing with golden paint on its instrument. Make its necklace with white acrylic color. And this is ready. So thank you for watching, and like, share and subscribe.